Hey guys, this is Mugford here, and today this is actually a really special video. So I see there's an orange thing here. We're gonna pull that. Ooh, that's good. All right, set that up there. Oh, there. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so first at the top here in the styrofoam, we slip it out, and there is, I don't know, apple. This is too good for me, man. So it looks like I just slide this open. So this is the mouse and the keyboard. Of course it says designed by Apple in California. Put that where it's gonna go. Ooh, so take out that. And this is it's the newest 4K model, so this is 4K, and I got the baseline. The only thing I upgraded was I upgraded to the 1TB Fusion drive instead of the 5400 RPM because that's just not fast enough. Wow. Now actually, this is not nice. This, ooh, that's not nice at all. So this is just loosely in there with this kind of stuck to it at the top there. So it's not refurbished or anything. It's brand new. And it looks like this was, I don't know where this could even be from, but it doesn't look like it's supposed to be there like that. So let's take the tape off. Ooh, nice. All right, so now this is gonna plug into the back. Oh wow, is it ever thin? Oh. Set it down, pull the styrofoam off. I'm talking slowly because this is like so unreal. Okay, let me actually pull up my little chair here. Oh my God. Let's peel this piece off the back here. Gonna have to lift it up for this. Oh, that's like the front of an iPhone. And now this nice soft part. Read all. Oh. So this one in Canada cost me right around $2,000. You know what? Just fuck it. I do not like styrofoam. I think they should be using cardboard because it's recyclable. Wow. Power button. Okay, now this is the fun part. The really fun part. Oh. I'm never gonna be able to touch this screen, man. It's so clean. Wouldn't want to ruin it. This is like so more. Wow. Oh my God. Let me put it into. Oh my God, this is unreal. It fits perfectly too. I love my iMac. And that's gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna set it up now and probably make a review. Thanks for watching. Oh, and that's next. Thanks for watching and have a great day.